Alright, so what we have here, this is a brake fluid tester. What it does, it will look for moisture in your brake fluid, if how much water is in your brake system. And this is a good tool for that. And what I have here, I have 3 cups. So this is the brand new brake fluid, used one, and this is 100% water. So this way you will see, obviously, if this tester detects the water in your brake fluid system, they will tell you. So let's start with as you can see, there's a 8 kind of fluid here that will test, but we'll just test that 3. So we turn it on. There's a power on the top here. Turn it on, and then you have a selection here, right? So number 1 here, so you got 1 to 8. So number 1 is .3 and 8 is Toyota .3. So this is just aftermarket, so we'll just use .3 here, number 1, and then and we'll try that. So power number 1. Nothing, that means it's good. Nothing, that means it's good. Means there's no water in this fluid here. And there you go. See, the water turns all red. See that? So it will detect water here. So now we're going to dilute this by adding this water here. So the first test we have, all this fluid are good, right? So we're gonna put water here, a little bit water there, right, and shake it. So this is what happens if you have moisture inside your fluid, and this should be able to test or check. So we'll see how much water in here. As you can see, there's like 2% water there. So let's try this one. So this one is like at least 1%, almost 2%. So there you go. So for this, you will see when to change your brake fluid, so that you have a best brake as possible. Thank you for watching.